That's right.
What's that say?
That says Maddie Bowers.
This says, what are the letters?
M-A-D-D-I-E.
And whose name is that?
Maddie.
That's right. Let's see. I think this one's taped too.
Daddy, I got another surprise.
Who's that from?
Oops.
Grandma Bowers. Did he bought me goodies?
Who?
The Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
He bought me Dora goodies. It's the fun inside, Mommy.
This is from Grandma and Grandpa, it says on here.
Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
What's that card say?
Happy
Birthday.
Happy, what letter is that?
Happy Easter.
That's right.
What'd you get?
Oh my goodness, a bag! An Easter bag. We can bring it to church today. It'll match perfectly. What'd you get?
What are those?
They're candies.
Candy!
Look at this beautiful bag.
Hello, Kitty.
Let's see what's in here. Here's a card for Grandma and Grandpa. What's that say? Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
Pink chocolate? Oh my goodness. That's so cool. It's a drink.
What?
That's so cool. What's this? A marshmallow bunny to eat.
Eat.
Yes. Here,
And
let's see. More
candy.
candy. What else is in here?
Book about caterpillar.
You're right. 5 Wrigley Wiggly caterpillars.
Oh.
Very colors that they eat.
Now how many?
4.
That's right.
4 little berries.
Now how many?
3.
That's right.
1 for salad. We gotta say
Now how many?
2.
That's right.
2 little berries. How many is left?
How many?
1.
That's right.
1 little berry. They will say he will off and whooped his head.
Oh. And what did they turn into?
A butterfly.
How many butterflies?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right. Smart cookie. Want to open this card from Grandma? This is Miss Maddie. Is that you?
Yeah.
Or is it me?
Me.
Turn it over. That's so silly. That says, Happy Easter Sunshine. Love Grandma and Grandpa Bowers. Isn't that nice? Look at this little duck's wearing a skirt. A flower skirt. And look at this. You take the grass out. And now you've got an Easter bag. You can put your stuff in it when we go to church today.
I'll put this in my bag.
Okay.
Here, these, and this. Hello Kitty. And Kitty.
There you go.
What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa Bowers?
Thank you. Bye.
Happy.
Happy Easter.
Look at the camera.